Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles, and we just got in this great Royal Arrow portable typewriter from the 1940s or so, and we're going to take a minute to go over the controls. Pretty standard keyboard here. You have your backspace, shift, as well as a shift lock. That's pretty much it for the keys. This is your color selector, so you can use two-tone ribbon. You have red, black, or blue. And then this is a stencil setting where it won't engage the ribbon at all. Here's your touch control. You can see it's labeled there. Basically, if you move it to the left, it'll make the keys a little lighter to press. And if you move it to the right, it'll make them a little heavier. And it's kind of on a sliding scale, so you can adjust it to whatever feels best. And then this switch over here controls the direction of the ribbon. As far as the carriage goes, you have to flip this back to access the margin controls, and then you just push down on this to adjust those where you want them. This one does have a magic margin feature, which basically if you put the carriage where you want the left margin to be, and then you pull this magic margin lever, it'll snap that, so now that's your left margin. And then that'll stay that way until you move that back. Otherwise, it's got your paper release here, your carriage release here, and there's another carriage release on the opposite side. This adjusts your line spacing, so if you hit the return lever, see there's single spacing. If you go here, now it's double spacing. And then this here gives you, disengages the line retainer, so instead of it stopping exactly at every line, this can go exactly where you need it to be if you're filling out a form or something. And then you can just switch that back on, and now you're back on the line retainer. So that's pretty much it. It's in good condition. You can see it's got some scratches, but nothing too serious. Let's spin it around. It's got a little dirt and dust in here. Could use a good cleaning. But overall, good shape. Here's the inside of the case. To remove the lid, you just push down on this and then slide the whole lid. So just separate the hinges and the lid will come right off. And just reverse that to put it back on. When you put the typewriter in here, there's 4 little pegs that go right into the feet of the typewriter, and then you just push all of these latches in, will secure the typewriter for transport. So that's the Royal Arrow portable typewriter. It is for sale on eBay. You can find the link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks!